index, right? If we could get up into 11, a nice rally into 11 before it fell, man, that'd be gorgeous. And Amazon's another one I'd love to see set up here. We set up now for the short side. The reversal, at least on the short term, is in. We got the 920 cross. I pop into this 3511, which just be absolute gold. I got filled on the puts, so one strike. '07 was the target. I had a limit order sitting out, and I got filled. So there's the number I was looking for. Get some more here. Get my full size on here. It's time to take profits down into this 84. I didn't get a full fill. I did pay myself a little bit there. I got filled partial, and I got 2 contracts filled. So right into the PCL 45.20. We're hit. We just popped right into the freaking 45.20. I'm at least let this 5-minute candle close. I mean, you're not going to even give me a bounce. What a beautiful, beautiful setup, man. It's gone. Come on. All right, don't be chasing nothing. Patience. But what a trade. Nice work, man. You guys that caught that. Brilliant. I think so. Come on, give me that bounce. One more. Give me that bounce. So I paid myself on Amazon. That pop there got my combo on. If we get the setup here at the top of the hour, I might even add back to the one strike that I took profit. I just threw out an order $3 over my target, and I just got filled. There we go. 75 is my target. There we go. Just took profits.